Hi everyone, Uplands Car Radios here from Cardiff. You join me in this 2018 Hyundai i10. This had the infamous sat-nav unit which failed. This is a £4,000 to £5,000 replacement from Hyundai. Or you can come to us and we can fit a lovely unit like a DMX6523DABS, like we've done here. This unit has wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, meaning the customer now not only has a working radio but also has a lot more features. Just come out of here. This radio also has digital radio as well on it. Just show you some of the channels. The customer, let's go on here. There you go. Come out of there. Some more features of this radio include wireless mirroring for Androids, usual Bluetooth connectivity as well for your phones, USB, so USB down the bottom. We've kept the original port working. We've also kept the original steering wheel controls working, as you can see there. This model comes with a 3-year extended warranty if installed by a pro install dealer such as ourselves. If this is something interested in for your vehicle, please get in touch.